Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I am so excited because when BoxyCharm, by the way, let me just talk about where I've been. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I know it's been about 3, maybe 4 weeks since I have been here on YouTube. I have been in the process of a lot of changes around certain areas in my life, so I was kind of busy moving and like transitioning jobs and things like that, so I was just like caught up for a second, and I just didn't make YouTube a priority because there was just so many things that I had to kind of like do and figure out and adjust to, and just, you know, things that happen. I've been like Christmas shopping. I was so excited to do Vlogmas, and I even filmed the first 2 days of Vlogmas, and I was like, you know what, this is just not realistic for me right now. I have just like too much going on, so Vlogmas didn't happen this year. I will try to do something similar, maybe like another month in the year next year, but just was not something that I can do right now. So yes, that's where I've been. That's what's been going on. I'm sorry, I didn't leave, I didn't quit. I'm here. I love this. This is what I'm doing. So yes, this is my new setup. We will talk about this in another video. Today we're talking about BoxyCharm. And hello, can we talk about this box right here? How beautiful and big it is. I was so excited a couple of months ago. I want to say it was August, when BoxyCharm, sorry, my camera moved because the box is so big. When BoxyCharm first announced that they were gonna be doing like an upgraded series where it would be called BoxyLuxe, I was like, I'm on it, I'm in there, like swimwear, let's do it. And I was on the cruise when they actually released the first time, and my internet connection just wasn't happening for me, and it was so frustrating because like I was even reaching out to people like, please log into my BoxyCharm, let's make this happen. And it just, I didn't make it that month, but we're here in December and I was able to upgrade, and I'm just so excited because we're just gonna, I'll show you what I mean. But yes, BoxyCharm is a monthly subscription box, which is this box that I do every single month, where I do an unboxing of this beauty subscription. $21 a month for this box. And now they have a new thing where if you upgrade to BoxyLuxe, then every 3 months you would be charged an additional $28 a month. So it's $48.99 total plus tax, and you would receive a larger Luxe box. So that's what I got this month, which is this right here. I just like slapped my face. Just to show you the difference, first of all, in size. This is the box that I do every month, the unboxing, and like this is BoxyLuxe. Hello, like this is huge. I did not expect this box to be so big. Like, look at it. Yes, I was like, this is Christmas. So this is what I'm going to be doing today, an unboxing. I'm sorry this intro is like 5 minutes long, but yes, a lot to catch up with. So yes, let's do this. I'm going to open up the box. Look, as soon as you open it, you will receive a card in the mail. This one is just bigger than usual, and it has the theme of this month, which is 'Tis the Season. Get it? Season. So yeah, super cute. And on the back, it has some coupons for a couple different brands, PYT, Elemis, and Tarte. And then it has listed everything that is included in the box with a small description and the pricing of how much each item is worth. So let's jump right in. As soon as you open up the box, you can just see so many goodies. Oh, so excited. I did open this last night because I was just too excited. I couldn't wait. I was gonna film last night, but I cried so much at church that I was like, I can't film a video looking crazy. So yes, the first thing in the box is this little pouch, and it says Glam AF. Yes, you guys all know what that means. But anyways, you open it, and I think it's pretty cool because it's super sleek. It feels like really sturdy. And inside the pouch, it's a portable charger. So the brand is called Crimes of Beauty. So it brings a little charger, and then you can open it up on the side and just plug in your iPhone or your Android and just charge on the go. I feel like this is so cool. It brings a little charger here that you just plug in on the side, and you can have this in your little pouch, and you can use this for makeup or, you know, whatever you want to use it for. But I feel like this is really cute. The wristlet is worth $22, so that was pretty cute. The next thing in the box is this Pretty Vulgar translucent setting powder. It is in the shade 104 Matte About It. So it says right here in this card that it is a weightless skin smoothing translucent setting powder that locks your makeup into place while enhancing the look of your foundation. So yeah, this is worth $32. It is just like regular setting powder. It brings this really cute little fluffy brush that I never use. And yeah, let me open it up just to see what it feels like. It feels like a regular translucent powder. It's supposed to feel like, I guess. But yes, I was so excited because I follow BoxyCharm on Instagram, and they do kind of like sneak peeks before the boxes are shipped out. And I know that not everyone received the translucent powder. You either got the powder or a bronzing, highlight, contour, blush palette, which I'm never really a fan of because I know what blushes I like, I know what bronzers I like, I know what highlighters I like. So I'm never a fan of those palettes. So I'm so excited I got a new translucent powder because you can never have enough translucent powder. The next thing in the box is this Suva Beauty Protege palette. And I also know from the sneak peeks you either got this or a mini flat iron by the brand PYT. And BoxyCharm did this thing where you can actually choose which one you wanted this month. And I went for the palette. At first I chose the straightener, but I was like, realistically, like, what do I need a little straightener for? I don't need it. So I got this, which is this beautiful palette. It's so pretty. It has gorgeous colors. And this has also a really good mirror. And it retails for $34. I'm excited to check this palette out. It's definitely a pretty palette, so I'm excited to try that. Next thing in the box is this Spongely Sponge, which is a body wash infused buffer. And this retails for $20. It smells so good. It smells like, kind of smells like Dove. Very clean. Oh, it smells so good. It is a body wash and buffer formulated with extracts of yuzu, edelweiss, and vetiver to moisturize, soften, and cleanse with built-in body wash for multiple luxurious showers. So you are able to use this more than once. It is just like a body wash on the go, I guess, with a sponge included. Next in the box is Tarte's Shimmering Paint Lip Gloss. And I got the color Insta Famous, which is this pretty like rosy pink color. I don't know if you can see here. It's beautiful color. I'm gonna actually apply this over the gloss I have today. Yeah, so it's like a rosy metallic pink color. So pretty. It kind of has like a purple undertone. It's cute. It's cute. I like it. So this is a glitter lip paint that retails for $20. So yes, I am excited for that too because I've been loving lip glosses lately. So next thing in the box is this Elemis Pro Collagen Marine Cream. And this retails for $89. Like, what the heck? Not even this box is $89. So it is a 1 ounce cream, which is a really good size, which is like the normal size for a cream. And it is a anti-wrinkle day cream. Elemis is a very high-end, like well-known brand in the UK, I guess. I have never used any of their products, but I've read some reviews and it seems to be a really good brand. So I'm super excited to try this out. It says apply every morning to cleanse dry skin. So yes, it says clinically proven the powerful anti-aging ingredients have been shown to reduce the appearance of wrinkles, improve skin firmness, tone, and hydration in 14 days. I'm excited. I need that in my life because, you know, I'm aging here. You know, the time isn't stopping. Next thing in the box is this Grande Mascara Lash Boosting Formula Mascara, which is said to provide you with extreme length and volume while promoting healthier lashes with your new Grande Mascara infused with a lash-loving blend of peptides, panthenols, and natural waxes. It's buildable, water-resistant formula, removable to prevent lash breakage while keeping lashes flexible and strong. This retails for $25. I don't love the wand. It's like, I don't know how to explain it, but we'll see. I already have mascara on, so I don't know why I'm putting this on, but we'll see. At first I was like, nah, because you either got this one or the Lorac Pro one, and I obviously wanted the Lorac Pro one, but it's okay. We'll try that out. Next thing in the box is something I was super excited about. I was like, no way, this is coming in the box. This is a Violet Voss hashtag My Holy Grail palette, and my Violet Voss was a brand that was like super poppin' back in the day. I remember everyone was talking about Violet Voss, and I just didn't afford it at the time. And when I finally could, I still didn't buy it because I found other brands that I liked. So this is super exciting to see in this box. This palette, which is $45. It has 20 high pigmented eyeshadow shades ranging in creamy mattes, bold metallics, and silky satins. It is vegan, cruelty-free, and it's created with finely milled pigments made for smooth application and easy blending. Can we talk about this palette for a second? Hello. Like, this is palette goals. Like, if I'm traveling somewhere, I'm taking this guy because this is just beautiful colors. It has like these rosy pinks, these like pink warm tones. We have some golds, some transition shades. We have some inner corner shades right here, highlighting shades. Like, this is just like everything that you need in a palette, and I love it. And even the mirror is so good. Like, you can see it so clearly in this mirror. Like, I'm so excited. I will swatch just a couple colors. I'll do this color Toffee. Yes. This is so beautiful. I love this palette. I think it is gorgeous. It's stunning. It's like the perfect palette. So these are just 3 shades that I don't know how to do this. My arm is like, ugh. So, but look at that pigment right there. Like, so pretty. It looks so highly pigmented. And now I have eyeshadow everywhere. I'm just so excited to try this brand out and see if the hype all those years ago was worth it. Yes, so I'm excited for this. This is perfect, especially for the holidays. It has perfect holiday colors too. Those nice, shiny, bright colors. So I am super excited for this palette. And yes, this is a win-win. The box is so big, it barely fits on my desk. So we got one more thing in the box. And the only reason that I was so excited for this palette, other than everything else that we got that was amazing, this thing right here. I was like, I will pay $50 just to get the box to receive this. Which is this Luxe Complete Face Brush Set. Hello. I was so excited to receive this. I could not believe that we were getting an entire Luxe like face set. So it has a round top blender, a tapered highlighting, pro precision tapered blending, eyeshadow, eye shading, flat definer, brow and lash spoolie, and a lip brush. And I am just like in awe with this brush set. I was like, ah! As you guys know, we have received so many different Luxe brushes in the past with BoxyCharm, and Luxe has become easily one of my favorite, sorry, this is making so much noise. Luxe has become easily one of my favorite brush brands. I have so many Luxe brushes now because of BoxyCharm and just times that I just purchased Luxe myself because I just love them so much. So when I saw that we were getting that, I was so excited. It retails for $65, which is more expensive than the entire box. So I just could not believe it. I was so excited, and overall, I just have to say, like, BoxyCharm, you did it this month. Like, this is my Christmas present, and I'm just so happy because if I don't get anything, like, I just got a whole box of goodies, and I just, like, can't wait to use everything. I'm so excited, and I'm so happy, and I just feel like this box was it for me. So I'm so happy, and I'm so excited for March because I just want to see what's going to be in the next box for BoxyLuxe. So yeah, that completes this video. I really hope you guys enjoyed, and if you guys want to check out BoxyCharm, I'll leave their link down in the description just so you can get a little bit more information on them. But I highly recommend them. I love their brand, and if I support any subscription box, it's BoxyCharm. I have for like 2 years now, and honestly, I have BoxyCharm to thank for like my huge makeup collection, because they have helped me grow and learn so many different brands, and I'm just so excited and ready to try these new brands that I've never heard of. So yeah, that completes this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I can't wait to be back on YouTube and be more interactive with you guys. So thank you guys for sticking around, and thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video.